Today I will show to you how you can make money with Pancakeswap. What is Pancakeswap? How can you make money from Pancakeswap? How to use the farms, how to use the pools, how to use the prediction and lottery inside the Pancakeswap, and how you can put money inside in Pancakeswap. So I'm gonna show you the DAP Radar ranking. So Pancakeswap is the current number one platform for DeFi category in the whole world. It has a volume of around almost a billion uh, dollar volume every day, and the users goes up by around 3.49.044k. Okay, so that translates into 1.68 million users of this platform. So if you notice, um, there is a farm, there is a staking. So I'm gonna explain to you really quick what is the farm. Okay, so what you need to do here is you need to put your money into a liquidity pool. Okay, so for every transaction of every person here in Pancakeswap who's using Pancakeswap, who's using the exchange and everything, every fees that Pancakeswap earns, you will be get a certain percentage of it. And as you can see here, there's a cake, there's a BNB. So cake is the official token of Pancakeswap. So it's pancake. Okay. So for you to be able to stake your liquidity pool tokens on Pancakeswap, you need to be able to match the amount of cake that you have in your BNB. So let's say you have $100. Okay. So you want to split it into two. So you will have $50 worth of, let's say, BUSD and $50 worth of BNB. And in that case, you can probably stake it inside the Pancakeswap, of course. And of course, it will be not 100% like 100 because, excuse me, you will pay for a transaction fee. So if you click the calculator right here, you can see that there's an ROI percentage, which is the estimate, only the estimate amount. So as you can see here, there's an APR for around 448%, there's a 200%, and as you can see here, ROI here is 1% every day, which translates to around 8,500% a year, assuming that it continues. However, I just want to inform you that the APR, okay, is going low if the liquidity is getting bigger. Okay, so the lesser liquidity that you have, the more APR that you will receive. So as you can see here, if you will go back here at PNT, you can see here that there's only 10 million worth of liquidity, and the APR is 447.3%. And in here, there's a 1.5 billion dollars here in liquidity, and the APR is 61. So that is what you need to know, and don't get really excited on this high percentage returns. Okay, sorry for that, because usually when you're having this kind of coins, it is pretty much volatile, and you shouldn't be panicking if your token is going lower like 10% in a day, because that's what liquidity pools are. That's how it works. Okay, if you're trading an altcoin, you are also exposed on the market conditions. Okay, so there's a possibility that when you withdraw that money, you will lose a certain amount of it, or you will also gain from it. So that's how farms work. For the pool part, you just need to to stake your, let's say, your cake, which is the pancake, or you can stake other altcoins here as well. And what you just need to do here is to go here to trade, and do the exchange. So I'm going to explain the exchange first, okay? So this is more like a trading stuff. So you exchange BNB to USDT and stuff so that you can buy a pancake, okay? So you will always exchange tokens that you actually want to put inside. So if you're planning to so let's say here you're planning to buy TRX, let's say. So probably you will need to buy you will need to convert your money into from USDT maybe to TRX. And then when it is when if it is TRX, you will be able to stake it here. So you need to enable it here, and then most of the time farms and pools, they're offering the harvest stuff or the money that you earn in a form of cake. Well, which is not that bad at all because as you can see here, cake is the number one platform. It is highly secured. As you can see here, Ape Swap, Sushi Swap, Panther Swap. I can say that most of these swaps are based on Pancakeswap's fork. So you should be aware of it, and for that you just for you to make to be able to put your money inside the Pancakeswap, you need to connect your MetaMask account or your Binance Chain account. So let's say we connect this one. There's a lot of choices here. There's MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Mat Wallet, Token Pocket, Wallet Connect, Binance Chain Wallet, and SafePath. So probably if you don't have, I mean, if you're using Binance, then Binance Chain is the option here. So for the prediction, okay, so for lottery winnings, this is more like the gambling stuff. You're going to buy a lottery ticket, which costs around $100. Okay, so what you just need to do there is you will you need to be able to find or to be able to choose a number that is that will appear in the next lottery game. So there's a winning numbers here. It isn't very important for you to find these winning numbers. So when you get your ticket, then probably you will enter four numbers. Okay, and it is not enough to just match the number here. You must also match the number in order for you to be able to win this cake jackpot. Okay, so that's how it works. This is more like a gambling stuff, more like a casino stuff. And for me, if you're just looking to grow your money, I will just prefer that you start here on cake because this is more of the low risk type of investment. Okay, however, I'm not a financial advisor, so please take in mind that you are responsible for your decisions in your money, your responsibility. And as you can see here, before I forgot to say, it is there's a lot of things happening in Pancakeswap. There's an IFO openings. Okay, you can take advantage on this one because you can earn a lot of percentage here. So you need to commit your liquidity pool tokens, and then you need to hold on this one. And I think that's probably it. You will see here that there's almost 9 million total value locked in Pancakeswap, and that I think that's it. I personally, if you like to put your money into work, then this is your best choice, because Pancakeswap is, again, it is the number one uh, DeFi staking platform. But I didn't put my money yet because I don't have an enough equity to put it here. So just taking note, if you're going to farm your money here, you're going to yield farm, I would advise you to go here, maybe in BUSD and BNB, because this one is not is BUSD is a stable coin. It is more like a USDT version. BNB, Binance coin, which is also a great token. And for this one, if you don't really know this kind of coins, don't look at this APR. Just look first on what kind of coins you want to stake. You actually ideally want to stake a stable coin and a great long-term coin, which is also BNB and Cake. As you can see here in BUSD chart, Pancakeswap is really doing well here. Okay, they started here 0.4, and then it goes up. It reaches around $40. So that's really big. Okay, and they're ranked 28 on the token part, which is really impressive, because they've established themselves into the game. And I think they're also audited, so as you can see here, we can always check it here. So they are also audited. If you go into their Twitter, okay, oops, it's not available. Let's go. Let's find Certic Pancakeswap. Certic is the leading security company who audits almost every single blockchain projects right here. And as you can see here, this is the audit report of the Pancakeswap, which is last 2020. And there's nothing, there's total major, there's a minor, and there's a medium error. So probably Pancakeswap made a changes here. Probably they've been able to improve their system. As you can see here, there's 100% governance, 100% market volatility, 93% safety assessment, social sentiment of around 90%, and a static analysis of 90%. And as you can see here, they're really good. It's a really great project. So yeah, that's it. If you will invest here, guys, just be able to just put your money here and grow your money here. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this, and see you on the next video.